Nandito tayo sa Ho Chi Minh City dito sa Vietnam at tayo aaten ng AGRITECHNICA Asia 2025. So ito palang AGRITECHNICA at Hortex ay halos isang event lang. Magkatabi lang sila at nandito lang sila sa isang venue. Ang difference lang dito sa AGRITECHNICA ay mga farm machineries. Okay, isa-isa natin.
Gusto mo bang matuto ng agribusiness, crops, livestock and poultry, aquaculture, at ma-inspire sa mga success stories? Agribusiness, how it works! As a YouTube channel, Agribusiness features entrepreneurs, farmers, organizations, OFWs, investors. However, beyond our usual content and official endorsements, Agribusiness does not engage in other business dealings with them. While our viewers and featured individuals and entities may choose to pursue business deals with each other on their own, we encourage them to be cautious in doing so.
Agri-Drone Vietnam.
What is it?
Hi.
We are India.
From India?
Yes, sir.
This is organic inputs.
Yeah,
Organic.
Yes, sir. 100% natural product. Biodegradable. Yeah, myself is Arun Ji. Arun. Myself, Arun.
Arun. All right. And you are your product is organic
Yes, sir.
inputs.
Yes, sir.
Can you discuss about your product?
Yeah, we are from India, South India. We are producing organic plant essentials and herbal pesticides and biofertilizers.
Oh.
It's everything natural products, 100% organic products, biodegradable. That should not use any chemicals. So it will not leave any plant chemical residues in the soil or plant and yield.
And this is best for what crops? Vegetable,
It
rice?
is for all agricultural and horticultural crops. Maximum we are used in all horticultural crops, fruit crops, flowering crops. You can use for all crops. Main focus on export.
Export.
Already we are exported in Kenya.
Is it available in Thailand, in Vietnam, in the Philippines?
Now we are searching for importers.
Oh,
Now
right.
that's why we are came here.
All right. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Nong Lam University, Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, so something new na nakita natin dito, no? Yung mga universities sila ay nagpa-participate sa mga trade shows to showcase yung mga technology sila. What's your name again, sir?
My name is Nghi.
Nghi.
Full name is Nguyễn Thành Nghi. As you see here, and I am a lecturer in Nong Lam University with the basis in agricultural machinery.
It's seldom to see in our country that the universities are participating in a trade fair just like this.
Yeah.
Why you join this trade fair?
I attend this AGRITECHNICA because the first of all, I would like to have more information about the agricultural machine from other company and in other countries. And beside that, we also have a small booth here, so that just show what kind we do here in Vietnam related to agricultural machinery. Yeah.
So the technologies you're showing here,
Yeah.
it's a part of your research.
There are two kinds. The first one is from our original research from our university. The second one, we collaborate with foreign institution to conduct some kind of a project so that introduce that kind of technology for the farmers. Yeah.
Can you show us some of
For
your
example, this
technology?
one, laser leveling system. We bring here to Vietnam 20 years ago already, up to now still in Vietnam. And this one based on the project with IRI.
Oh, I
and,
see.
IRI.
So you level the field, the rice field.
Yes, without control manually, because control the buckets by the laser steam already. This
So
one.
you remove the contour, you make it flat, something like that.
Yes.
How often you use this equipment in the rice field?
In the rice field for the first time, and then every after 4 or 5 years.
4 or
have to
5
be again,
years.
but
And you
very light work, not similar to the first one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
This one I bring this from the IRI.
From Erie?
Yeah, that's up in 2004.
In the Philippines?
Yes, I went there, and then I also bring that technology here, and then based on the project with Erie.
All right. What else? What other technology you have?
And this one is based on the research from our faculty, engineering and technology. And this one we collaborate with Vĩnh province in Mekong Delta to design
In Mekong Delta.
to design this system to make the feed for the cow
Oh.
with the household for the household use.
Is this something like a silage? No. A silage?
Silage, chocolate and mixed together.
It's a fermented.
Yes, this one.
All right.
The first one they chop it and then they mix together and they put some ingredients for the feed at the end. And we have this one. Yeah, this one.
So this is the research of your university.
Yeah, university. Yeah, funded by the province government.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, for the dryer system.
Oh,
Dryer system.
fruits? You dry the fruits?
Fruits, plants.
Vegetables?
Yes. This even of food we also
Even
yeah.
sausages.
Yeah, we have long story about this dryers here. You know that in from 1990 there's no dryer here, so that we also bring that technology here, and especially this one we transfer this technology, reversible air technology for the Philippines for almost 10 years already, and during that time I worked with at Fuel Rice. Fuel Rice. I stayed there, I have stayed there for 4 years, and in the Philippines. That's why very happy to me to see you here. Yeah, this kind of dryer.
The dryer
Reversible
for
dryer for
rice.
for corn, for corn.
Imagine that, nanggaling sa Pilipinas yung technology and they're using it in Vietnam. And this one, for the chocolate?
Yes, this one. He's also the owner of this kind of technology. He's a lecturer at our faculty.
Oh.
Yeah, this one. Even though this kind of machine we have exported to other country, even though in Europe or Spain, we also imported one some company there. Korea, we also imported this one. So,
All right.
yes, and the last
And this one?
Yeah, and the last one is just the brochure about the project we conduct with the Eries rice straw management project.
Erie.
Eries, yes. At that time, Dong Long University is a local coordination of the project. Yes, and based on this project right now, increase amount of rice straw was used instead of burning it in the field. Yeah, based on this project.
Project sites, Cambodia, Philippines, and Vietnam.
Yes, at that time I have a lot of my partner there. Yeah. Even though during this demonstration, there are also a lot of the Filipinos
Rice straw baler and
And
management option in Vietnam and Cambodia.
And after that, after the first stage, this project was conducted in Philippines already.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And also the rice straw, you make it, you use it for mushroom production as well.
Yeah, at that time, but now we use the byproduct from mushroom production for make the compost already. Yeah, from the compost. So that right now farmers have more income from, that circle economic already. They use all of those products.
All right. Sir,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah, you're
Thank you
welcome.
so
It's
much
my
for,
pleasure.
yes.
My name is Agata Sonde. I'm the Strategy and Communication Manager from Unia Group, company from Poland.
From Poland. Okay. What's basically your products and services?
Well, we have two sectors for the clients. First, these are agriculture machinery, and the second thing, these are grain dryers, silos, so the technology for the grain.
This one.
Yes, like this one. Well, this is quite innovative grain dryers dedicated, for example, to dry corn, rice, with a very big efficiency and low cost of working.
Can we preserve or store the grains in this facility.
Yes, exactly. On the picture we can see the Hope facility. We are producer as well for the dryers, but for the silo and cleaners and transporting system.
And what about these machines?
Well, these machines, these are different type of machines dedicated for mostly medium size of farmers.
All right, and you have clients in the Philippines already?
Well, the customers are very interested about our products. We are looking for partners to help us making another steps for these markets. I think that next year or this year we will have first clients who will use our technology.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Philippines are also very interested for us. So maybe next years we will visit your country as well.
There is also an exhibition in the Philippines.
Yes, and what about the rice and corn production? Is it high?
Not as big as Vietnam and Cambodia, but we used to be the biggest in Asia.
Okay.
But there are a lot of big rice mills also. Yeah. All right, first of all, please introduce yourself and your company.
Okay, so I'm Yasin. I'm international sales manager at Çelikel. It's a company from Turkey. We are manufacturers of different agriculture machineries, especially in dairy farming.
Oh, they're farming.
Yeah, since 1962. And we do export like all over the world for more than 120 countries now.
We also export in
to
the Philippines?
A lot.
Oh, so the big dairy and cattle growers in the Philippines, clients?
Yeah. A lot
Like-
of
like
projects
who?
in the Philippines. We dealt with ASES.
What
And
else? Who
it's a
else?
big project in Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro. Yeah. And we have also some other farmers we have been dealing with around. So yeah.
Yeah. Can we discuss some of your equipments?
Yes, of
All
course.
right.
So, for example, this one, it's a feed mixer.
Feed mixer.
Yeah, it's made for TMR feed mixer exactly. It's made for dairy farmers for the mixing of the feed of the cows.
So what particular feeds?
So, for example, it depends on the region of the farmer or on the country itself, because it's different what farmers mix. For example,
So
there is
basically
some,
corn.
yeah, there is some that make corn, soya, beans, different ones. They add some supplements. So it depends on the area itself. And after mixing, it makes the distribution inside the farm. They link it with a tractor, and it makes the distribution for the
Directly,
it's- yeah,
immediately.
Exactly.
And what's the capacity of this? What do you call this machine?
This model, for example, it's horizontal. We call it Brasus. It's 10 meter cube, so it's around 3.5 tons.
Wow, for mix.
Yeah, and it goes maybe up to, there is another model which is vertical. It goes up to 52 meter cube. We talk about 15 to 20 ton. But there is also small capacities for like 500 kilogram, 1 ton, something like that.
Is anyone in the Philippines bought this kind of machine already?
Yes. We there is even some who bought the biggest.
Even bigger?
Yeah.
All right, interesting. And what about this? This is a harvester?
Yeah, this model
Okay.
is like maize harvester and chopper.
Oh, harvester and chopper at the same time.
Yeah, so as you can see, it goes on the front of the tractor or in the rear. and with those two discs it make the cutting, then it goes inside for shopping, then throwing in
To the other Trailer,
Yeah.
yes. Interesting.
And we do have actually other machines such as manure spreaders for preparation of the soil, packing machines for the silage and feed.
But basically, for the cattle industry.
Yeah.
Yasin, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. We're from the Philippines.
Yeah. From what country?
Philippines.
Also Philippines.
Oo. Okay, so finally, nakakita tayo ng exhibitor na Filipino. Miss Jane?
Yes.
Okay, can you introduce yung company ninyo?
We are the Agricultural Machinery Manufacturers and Distributors Association. We are the distributors of agricultural machinery. From Department of Agriculture, we supply agricultural machines.
Oo, like
We
ano
also
ano pa
have-
yung mga famous na machines niyo? Pwede ba natin lapitan?
Okay, sir. This one is the agricultural machineries. We have
Okay.
different agricultural machineries.
So ito available na to lahat sa Philippines, ma'am?
Yes. And we have the locally made.
Local made to.
Yeah, agricultural
Okay.
equipment. Trailing
Harrow,
harrow, yan. farm trailer, tractor,
Tractor.
mounted.
So basically mga implements.
Yes.
Na
yes,
locally
sir.
made. That's
yes,
nice.
Implements locally made.
Okay, ma'am, ba't kayo nag-join dito sa
We
Agritechnica
invited-
Asia?
We are co-partner of Agritechnica Asia.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Okay, so paano ma'am, paano kayo makokontak ng mga Filipino audience natin?
Okay, these are company office.
In EDSA lang pala.
Yes, along EDSA, Quezon City. There are
Philam.
address,
Okay,
and then
tapat lang to ng SM North.
Trinoma.
Trinoma,
Yes.
ayan.
In front of Trinoma, beside Sogo Hotel. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Agricultural Machinery Manufacturers and Distributors
Yes,
Association
Association.
Incorporated.
Yes.
Alright. So lahat ng mga needs niyo for machineries.
Yes,
But-
you can contact us.
Ayan. Ma'am, thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, anong name po ninyo?
Bong Amoroso po.
Sir Bong.
Isa ako sa mga director ng AMBA and we're also a distributor in the Philippines of agricultural equipment.
Pwede naman kayong i-feature doon.
Ha?
Baka pwede naman tayong ma-feature kayo doon, yung mga ano nyo.
Pwede. No, kasi you already na-interview mo na si Go Tractora, which is also a very good friend of mine.
Oh, I see.
Malaking bagay if you will visit us also.
Sige please.
Yeah.
Sige po.
Sige.
Sige po.
Malaking bagay po. We are the distributor of Massey Ferguson in the Philippines.
Ayan o. Sure punta namin kayo
Sige po.
Hello.
Morning, sir. Hi.
Morning.
Yes.
Yeah. We are from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah,
Yes.
can we interview you about your brand, about your products and services? Is that possible?
Okay. This is our catalog, and we are doing the tractor attachment. So for the grass cutter, and this one is for the forest motor. You know, in Philippines there are many of the palm tree, right? Palm tree, the leaves. This one can crush the palm tree.
I see.
Yeah. And also this one for the, you have vineyard for the grapes or
For the
something.
grapes.
Grapes, yes. For you, we can crushing the branches. The branches crushing. Yes. And here maybe this is one for the roadside. You have the grass roadside. You can cut it. And
Grass
all,
cutter.
Yeah, all our products attachment to the tractors.
Your name is Lisa.
Yeah, if you
Okay.
have a customer need,
Miss
contact me.
Lisa, can you introduce your company?
Our company, we are from China. We are factory located in Changzhou, Jiangsu province. And
In China?
In China.
In China, all
yes.
right.
Yes, we export to Europe and the US market for more than 10 years.
Is your products available already in the Philippines?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, we only have some customer through our friend. Yeah, so in Malaysia, Philippines.
But basically, your machines is for grass cutter, for chopper, what else?
And we also have the seeding,
Ah,
the
seeding machine.
The seeding machine.
All right.
The seeding machine. Yes.
Is it for corn?
You can have the corn, all kinds over the course.
Oh, I see.
And this is the customized machine.
Oh, you can customize.
Tailor make according to customers' needs.
Oh, wow. That's
Yeah.
nice. And this one is for
Wood
the
chipper.
branches.
Yeah, the branches.
The chopper.
Yes. We do
Oh,
not have
it's
harvester.
basically for land prep, maintenance, and planting.
Yeah, correct.
All right. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Daniel Cruz.
Yes.
You're from?
I'm from Mexico, but I'm
Mexico.
I'm living in Turkey,
Uh-huh.
and I have been working with this company for the last 10 years.
Okay. What's the name of your company, sir?
The company is Ontar, but as you can see here,
Ontar.
Ontar. This is the producer company, and Buffer is the trade company.
Oh, I see.
So through the Buffer brand, we sell machines to different countries. We are present in approximately in 35 different countries. And now we are here in the AGRITECHNICA Asia exhibition because we are looking for more customers in the Southeast
Asia.
Yeah, basically we produce sprayers for
Sprayers.
fields, and also we have turbo atomizers. The turbo atomizers are used in gardens and for tree, for orchards, and the sprayers for fields is for productions on the open fields like wheat, soya beans, and many other different kind of crops.
For big farms?
For small and big farms, we have machines starting for 100-liter capacity till 6,000 liters capacity. So we have machines for any customers.
I see.
Yeah, our company is located in Konya, in the city of Konya in Turkey, which is the center of the country. And most of the producers of agricultural machinery in Turkey are located in the same city. Our company has more than 50 years of experience, and we are one of the best brands in Turkey about these products.
This is your production?
Yes, this is our company, the factory. We have plenty capacity for production of complete machines and also spare parts, because we also produce pumps and we sell the complete machine or just a part, a component.
Just a part. What farm is this?
This is a cotton
Cotton.
crop, and this machine is a cannon head. So when you don't need to pass through the full
Everything.
crop, yeah, the cannon is applying the product till
How far is the
30 meters.
30 meters? So probably when it come back,
Yeah, it's passing to the other side.
Other
And it's-
side.
Yes, and it's completing 60 meters.
60 meters. Efficient.
Yeah. And you can use this same machine for trees, for very high trees like palm trees.
Oh.
So when you need to do the precise application, the machine can apply for trees till 40 meters.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you.
Alright, ito yung BLG German Agricultural Society. Sila pa yung organizer ng event at sila rin yung nag-invite sa atin. Please introduce yourself and your company.
Yeah, my name is Thomas Moore. I'm the sales and service manager for Australia, New Zealand, and Southeast Asia for Valmont Irrigation.
And your company is based in
So it's an American company.
American company.
Yeah.
Alright, and it seems like it's an irrigation system for huge farms. Am I correct?
Yeah, so it's irrigation systems, so mechanized irrigation systems for broad acre. So it can be used on sugarcane, potatoes, corn, soybeans. So it has it's really versatile in terms of applications.
And we're talking about how many hectares that this equipment can irrigate.
It can go from anywhere from 10, 15 hectares up to, we're talking
Hundreds, thousands,
yeah.
things like that.
It depends. It depends on the configuration, the type of systems, and things like that. But normally we try to aim for machines no more than or within the range of 30 to 100 hectares. That's kind of like the best.
Can you explain to us how does this machine works?
So as you can see there on the video, so they're electrical driven machines. So a machine is built out of spans. So each one of those spans has a motor and it travels around a pivot point or a center. So the spans have sprinklers, and then as you can see here on the pictures, as it walks around the field, the sprinklers are applying water, and it's set up to apply water in an efficient and uniform way across the field. So even if it's walking in a circular shape, each sprinkler it's configured and set up to apply a specific amount of water that will guarantee that the water applied across the field is always the same regardless of the location.
You always assemble and disassemble the equipment, or once it's assembled, it's there for...
Traditionally, once it's assembled, it stays there. So these machines can last in the field 25, 30 years at least. We do have a system that's called a towable pivot that you can hook it up to the tractor and transport it from one field to the other. And there are companies that they work, for example, like seed companies, that they will rent a farm and they're operating that farm for a set period of time, and then they move to a different farm. So when they do that, they disassemble the machines, pack them in the truck, move them to a new farm, assemble them again. So there's that option as well. But traditionally, they all normally stayed on the same field where they've been built for the lifespan of the machine.
How expensive is this equipment?
It really depends on the scope and the type of project. So it's hard to put a number because it's not a product you take off the shelf. It's a product, it's a project, and it's designed based on what crop are you going to be growing, site conditions, the source of water, how much are you trying to irrigate. There's a lot of factors that come into play, so it's hard to put a number and say it's going to cost this much. So we have an engineering team at the back that helps with project designs and implementations, and depending on the conditions of each project, the investment can change.
Yeah. Is this basically for irrigation, or you can use it also for fertigation, or
so you can use
chemicals?
You can use it for fertigation as well. So you have that flexibility to either irrigate just with fresh water or apply fertilizers. We also work with a lot of, for example, like dairy farms or pig farms that
Even dairy farms.
Yeah, they're using their effluent, or they're applying the effluent through their machines as a way of fertilizing as well. So managing wastewater and then applying it as a fertilizer.
And the source of water is always a deep well, or you can get water, let's say, from a river?
It can be either or. So it can be wells, it can be from a river, from a reservoir, from a lagoon. So it's whatever the source of water available, that's what we will use. So there's no limitations in that regard. It depends on what's available there. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to add?
No, we're just happy to be here, happy to be supporting the development of agriculture in Vietnam and in Southeast Asia. We're committed to sustainable agriculture and sustainable farming. So yeah, just happy to be here, happy to be part of this.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Doc. I'm Buddy from the Philippines.
Okay.
Can we interview you? Can we interview about the IRI?
Yeah.
All right, Doc. Can you introduce yourself and of course IRI?
My name is Nguyen Quang Hùng. I'm a senior scientist of IRI, the leaders of the Mechanized and post-harvest unit of IRI.
So there's a research center of IRI also in Vietnam.
We have an office in Vietnam. So we have two offices in Vietnam. One is the main office in Hanoi, capital of Vietnam, in the north of Vietnam. And then we also have another office in Cần Thơ, in the center of the Mekong River Delta.
In the Mekong River Delta.
Yeah.
All right. What's the difference between the IRRI in the Philippines and IRRI in Vietnam?
It is in the Philippines is the headquarters.
The headquarters.
In Vietnam, we have around 17 country office. So IRRI Vietnam is we call country office of the IRRI.
All right. So what basically you're doing in Vietnam?
In Vietnam is we also have several senior scientists and the team, around 30 staff. Most of them are scientists working in Vietnam. For example, is we work with the ministries and also related partners to develop like high quality and low carbon rice value chains, including the innovation. For example, is mechanization, low carbon water management, the rice straw based circular economy model, the innovation supporting high quality or high productivity and low carbon rice value chain.
All right.
Yeah.
Doc, your research in Vietnam is for the Vietnam alone or also for the whole world?
Research in Vietnam is focusing for the context of Vietnam. Like Mekong River Delta is the rice bowl of Vietnam, exporting to other countries. Like also contribute to food security. However, is the innovation in Vietnam also for IRRI, we work as a global science. So we connect or transfer the technology to other countries. For example, it's like mechanized irrigation, combined fertilizer displacement, one of the new innovation to reduce fertilizer, to increase fertilizer use efficiency and reduce carbon footprint. We already transfer technology to other countries like Cambodia, like Philippines, back to the Philippines, and also coming to Thailand. And also rice straw composting to produce organic fertilizer. We also transfer to India, to Thailand, to Cambodia, and also the Philippines. And like a post-harvest technology, like a dryer, we also transfer to Africa country. So it means that is we work based in the context of Vietnam, but adapting and make it match or fit with the context of the global, like Africa or other Asia countries.
Can you give us an idea what's happening to the rice industry in Vietnam?
Rice industry in Vietnam, in terms of innovation technologies, so it is well adopted. The new technology, for example, is like advanced mechanization, drones, the low emissions or low carbon practice or technologies. In terms of the markets, so of course, everywhere is rely on the unstable markets of the world. So, however, Vietnam is one of the top countries to export rice, to contribute significantly or substantially to the global food security. So our main market is in the Philippines, in Africa country, also like some in Cambodia, in China, the exporting to the markets.
Is it Vietnam the biggest rice producer in the world or in Southeast Asia?
Not the biggest, but one of the top country to export rice. So annually around 7 million tons of rice.
What's their
exporting to other
advantage
countries.
compared to other countries?
The advantage compared to, for example, is compared to some Southeast Asian countries. So the yield in the Mekong River Delta is a little bit higher because of adoptions of mechanization, variety is a good development, and also the agronomy practice. Value chain is somehow at the middle level and well adopted innovation. The rice quality in Vietnam is compared to the past itself is also good. now. Yeah.
Aside from the innovative technologies, is the Mekong Delta is a big factor while Vietnam is producing so much rice.
Yes.
Agribusiness merch is now available on Shopee and Lazada. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.